Hey everyone, welcome back to another quick how-to. In this video, we're going to show you how to lock a folder in Windows 11 with no software needed. So first off here, you just need to tap right here on your keyboard Windows plus R button to open up this Run app. So as you can see, then type Notepad and click OK. Now here, what you're going to do is go to this link right here. So I will open up this Google Chrome right here and I will paste this link to the description box, and we're gonna copy all of the commands right here. So right click or just copy this one. So we're gonna copy and paste on the notepad. Now once you've done here, as you can see, if you scroll down, you will find this your password. So basically what you're going to do is just need to change this as your password. So for example, just want to change it to pass12345 and save us. We're gonna change the file name into lac.bat or bat, and then we just need to change the save as type to all files, and we're gonna find the folder or the files that you want to lock. Now once you've done, let's go back to your file explorer and let's find that batch file. Now here, all you need to do is double click on this one and it will open up the private folder. So right here. Now what you're going to do, just need to move all the files here at the private folder. Now here, you just need to double click on this batch file and it will show you here, are you sure to lock this folder? So if yes, just type Y and click on enter. And as you can see, it will now lock that folder here. So if you want to open that folder, so basically you just need to enter the password. So right here, enter the password to unlock your secure folder. So type right here your password and it will show you that folder right away. So yeah, that's how you basically lock a folder on your Windows 11. Then if you want to change that password, go here on properties and then go to just close it in and right click again. Click on the show more options right here at the bottom and click on edit button right there at the top. And basically here, find that password and we're going to change it for example. So right here, change the password into pass123 and then click on file right there at the top left and click on save. So once you've done right there, if we go back, for example, right here. So if you double click on this one and type Y, now it will lock again that folder. So if you want to open, just need to enter the password that you saved. So there you go. That's how you basically do that. Now the second way here to lock a folder on your Windows 11 without a software, well, basically by using the WinRAR. So we're gonna open up your Google search right here and type WinRAR, and you're gonna download the latest version of WinRAR, and we're gonna use it to lock a folder on your Windows 11. So basically, you just need to choose here either you are using 64-bit computer or 32-bit computer. So once you've done downloading that, so go to that folder that you want to lock, right click this one, and then click on this show more options. And then here, just click to add to archive. And then it will open up your WinRAR, and just need to check this delete files after archiving. And then click on set password, and here you can edit or enter your password, and here also to confirm. And then once you've done, click on OK and then click OK again. And here basically you have created your folder with a lock. So if they want to open up a files on this folder, for example, so let's try to open up the file. So basically just double click this one and let's open a sample file. And here it will show you the password. Just enter the password right here and it will open the file. So yeah, that's how you basically lock a folder on your Windows 11 without any software. So that's all. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe to this channel, and don't forget to ring the bell icon to notify you on the next video.